Heidi, just hang on. Dr. Slayton's got to check your babies.
I'm sorry.
Don't be concerned.
Oh. I know. You got good suckles, though. That's good.
What are you checking?
Just for cleft palate and good suckle reflex so they can eat. Make sure they're good. How many boys? How many girls?
5 boys and 1 girl.
It's
From what
always
I
boys.
could tell.
Yeah.
Baby.
You're a boy. You're a boy. You're a boy.
One of the black ones is a girl.
And you're a boy, yeah.
So that must be the girl back there.
Yes, you are. You got the hoo-ha.
Heidi, don't worry. Don't worry, honey. I'm just gonna make sure your babies are okay.
Do we know what they're bred with?
Let's just hope not Rottweiler or something. Like, I mean, can you even tell at this age?
No.
There's no way, right?
Uh-uh.
We're not gonna know for like 4 or 5 weeks till see how big they start growing?
Oh yeah, it's hard to tell.
Don't worry, sweetie. You're a good girl.